So the first step, I'm gonna add the butter to the milk. I had already warmed up the milk and butter, but stir it and warm it up. As you can see, I drained the can of raviolis and poured them into a bowl. Rinse off the raviolis with water. I have just raviolis. I rinsed it out with water. This is the milk and butter mixture. Pour it on the raviolis. My cheese. I'm using Parmesan cheese. You can use any cheese. I'm using shredded Parmesan cheese. You can even use squeezed cheese. Just stir it. I put it on a plate. You should be here. You should be here by now. I just plated it up. All right, so this took 2 minutes to get here, and I'm gonna add bacon bits. I'll show you the packaging. So that's good. This is what it looks like. It says real bacon pieces. And on top of that, I'm gonna add some cheese. That's all I have left, so I'm just gonna use it. And I'm gonna give it another minute in the microwave. So this is it. It's finished.